Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you my toolbox right here and what I have in it. I just cleaned it all out and I got some new sockets over here and got some new stuff and it's all clean, all organized. Up top, got some earmuffs, my sunglasses. Back here I have some 3-in-1 oil. Flashlight, little scissors, notepad. Right here I have a proto 1/4-inch set, metric set. I have metric and standard Allen wrenches, the longer ones. I have drill bits. And I have a Centec, a little measuring caliper. Yeah, Harbor Freight special. Alright, so anyway, Spyderco Endura 4. Just keep that up here. Got my safety glasses. Up here I have just some random sockets and then spark plug sockets. Here I have 1/4-inch standard to go with this. And then all for 3/8 I have a Craftsman 3/8. A old S&K 3/8 and a, what set do I have? Cobalt set. So fine, medium. This one's horrible. I'm not gonna lie. It's made in the USA. I don't know what happened there, but I just don't like that ratchet. These are both quick release. This one, no. So I'll show you my 3/8 first. Standard, deep sockets. Haven't used these yet. Just got them yesterday. Standard, regular, shallow. All those. And then I have metric deep sockets, 19 down to 10. And then I have shallow metric, all 12-point. By the way, these are 6-point. And these are 6-point. Then for 1/2-inch, oh wait, for 3/8 I also have 3 extensions. This is an old, what does that say? Her brand? Made in USA. This is really old though. This cheap extension and this cobalt one, which I really like because it has the grip here. You can twist it if your hands are greasy. Then for 1/2-inch I have this big old snap-on. See if they'll pick it up. This ratchet is so old. There we go. Snap-on, made in the USA. This thing was my great-grandfather's, along with a lot of tools in here. Great-grandfathers, great-grandfathers, great-grandfathers. All of these were my great-grandfathers, and a whole bunch of tools in here. But for 1/2 inch, I only have standard. Craftsman. This big old set. You can see how dirty that is. This has been sitting in a shed for 50 or so years. And I don't really have a use for these, but I keep them here. Here I just have some clamps for like woodworking. Over here I have an old press drill. Big old Phillips, and just assortment of other screwdrivers over there. These are my cheap ones, you know, that work as pry bars and stuff. Craftsman number 3 Phillips. Craftsman, oh no, Craftsman number 2. Right? Yeah. Number 3. 3/16 flathead. Got a tiny little hammer. And screwdriver, flathead. This is nothing. Don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Over here, got my pliers drawer. Typical needle nose, side cutters. Small little needle nose. Big snap-on needle nose. Dad got that for me. Tin snips, wire strippers, lines and pliers. I think that's what they're called. Rivet gun, adjustable wrenches over here. Some old adjustable ones. Found these in a boat, a sunken boat. Channel locks, and some more pliers. Over here is just like a small / miscellaneous. I got like small tools. Here I got a little. It's called a ignition wrench set. It's a standard. And I have a small little one. This one just says combination, but it's metric. So I have standard metric small little wrenches. I have this little thing, spline key set kit. I've never used this. Never used this. And never used these either. It's a Craftsman, just like a nut driver, screwdriver. Never used those ever. This is for my car, to remove trim tabs. Big old flathead, 2 big old Craftsman Phillips. Yeah, don't know what those are. Just some pens, like an interior or under the hood rivet pop thing. I have a model of my car. Focus! This is just a little parts bin of random stuff. A lot of my interior bolts are in here because I don't have any interior in my car. A drill thing, a air, little pocket knife, razor blade, screwdrivers, little chisel, center punch, picks, wire brush. I think, what is this? My dad gave me these 2 things. I know this is a tread depth gauge, but I forgot what this one is right now. And feeler gauge. Now, my wrenches. Focus! There we go. Over here, we got standard. I also added in 2 I got from my great-grandfather. 2 snap-on standards. Same as this, Think. Cheap China set. Oh, sorry, I just hiccuped there. It's like a silent hiccup. Anyway. China things. These old... I just throw these away. supposed to be universal wrenches. I just hate them. I have 2 of them. Just some more, you know, 2 open end, offset, box, open end. This thing is a stubby snap-on 1 1/16. I've used this on, it was in my dad's toolbox, it's his, but I keep it in mind because it works on my EGR tube on my car. If I ever have to take that off when I'm doing like a valve cover gasket or something. Ratcheting metric. The only thing I hate, these things rust. These things rust like crazy. I don't know if it's like the Florida humidity or what. Craftsman from up to a 22 down to a 7. Yeah, and I'm missing a 10. So I gotta buy another 10. And here's my miscellaneous. Torque wrench, parts bin, backup, Allen keys, little hammer. I don't want to just stick my hand in here. I don't know what's in here. Some gas line and tubing, trailer ball hitch, backup sockets, pocket knife, Ford emblem, wire, bike tube kit, RC car wheels, RTV, Marty, just a whole bunch of junk. Zip ties, hammers, sledgehammers. Just kidding, sledgehammers on the bottom. Big old pocket knife. You get the point. Oh, I forgot to show you these 3/8 swivel. The bottom. Spray paint's over there, and like cleaners, manuals. This is car parts, small car parts. Dremel kit, tape, hammer, timing belt, 8-gauge wire, a hat. There's like a whole bunch of parts for my car under there. What else? I don't know, there's a whole bunch of junk under there. Yeah, so that's my toolbox. It's a Harbor Freight 4-drawer roll cart. Got it for 99 bucks. And as you can see, all my stickers I've added onto it. Jegs, South Florida Stangs, Summit, Year 1, Hoosier, Painless, Carcraft, K&N, 5.0 Mustang, Comp Cams, Trick Flow, ABEC 11, Reds, Holly, look all you want, but please don't touch, Mac, Clean Boater, and it's not a Craftsman, trust me, I stole that, Guy Harvey, Crocs, Ron John, Park Vista Auto Show, Bass Pro Shops, MotoredBikes.com, Barrett Jackson, Salt Life, Wild Redbeard, Slightly Stupid, Summit, West Marine Jags, Zex Nitrous Systems, Flex A-Light, and you don't even want to see how much stickers are on the back of that. Oh, hold on. On the back of that lid and on the back of that. You don't want to see it. Actually, yeah, you do. I'm not going to show you. Yeah, and also got some more room on the workbench. Clean the workbench off. Smooth. Actually, it's kind of dirty, but I got room in here. Keep drumsticks in the toolbox. So I got room here. This is filled up with impact. This is the impact drawer. And I got an oil cap, an extra one for my car. That's the impact drawer. This is the air conditioning and a giant pin off an airliner. This is a pin, folks. You know, like a little pin you'd put in something? This is a 5 or 10 pound, 10, it's 10. This is a 10-pound pin that goes on a jet airplane. rocks, and a C134, yeah, welder. We got a Millermatic 150, gas tanks, air compressor. We got a Sears 100 PSI. My dad's toolbox, which he is upgrading soon, because we're rearranging the garage for the car restoration. I'll have some videos on that. That's starting next year. But my dad's toolbox, getting a little sad. I want to take this one off of him and put it on the bottom of that, so I can have more drawers. Oh, that hurt. Some more drawers. Just hit my thing on that handle. Yeah, so that's my toolbox. Thanks for watching.